Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to this training session, which is very important. Today I will show you how to use Liveboard, how to create lecture, and how to send it to the groups. Simply, first we have to install that app. Go to the Play Store and type here Liveboard app. Click on it. Here you can see option update. Why it's giving update option? Because I already installed this app, but when you will click on it, it will give install option. So complete this installation process and now come to that app, click on it. Now first, before recording our lecture, we have to create material what we are going to teach. So how to create our lesson, first we have to see this and how to use tools in this app. Click on this default workspace, and on the right hand side in the bottom you can see a plus symbol. Click on this plus symbol and click on create board option. Now it's giving two options, landscape and portrait. Means these are two types of board. Landscape board means if you want to take your board in horizontal format, and portrait means if you want to take your board into vertical format. So vertical format is better than landscape. Select that portrait and click on create option. Now we jumped to directly to the board, and now we can see how to create our lecture, how to create our recorded lecture. Firstly, we have to gather all materials what we are going to teach. So firstly we will see, before creating our lecture, we can see how to use these tools. First we will see pen. Click on that pen option, it will give size and colors. Choose size and colors and go to the board and drag your fingers or any pen if you want to write anything by pen, like this. Okay, by using pen. If you want to erase it, we have eraser, see beside shapes and double T option. Click on it and drag your finger on it, it will erase. If you want to increase the eraser size, you have to hold that eraser for 2 seconds. It will give options to increase or decrease the size of eraser, see. Or otherwise, if you want to erase whole page, so click on that clear page option, it will clear whole page. Now we will see how to use shapes. I clicked on shape option, it is giving some shapes. Click on that shape option and go to the screen and drag how large or how big you want that shape. Drag it, and again if you will drag, it will create next shape. If you want to move this selection, click on that left end side on the bottom arrow option, it will remove the selection of the shapes. Now we will see double T option. Double T option is used to write some text on the screen. Click on where you want to write text, it is giving text box. I am writing some text. And if you want to move it anywhere on the screen, you can move. If you want to increase or decrease the size of the text, hold that double T option up to 2 seconds, it will give options. You can increase or decrease the size of the text. Even if you want to change the color of the text, you can change. And last option, image option. If you want to insert any kind of image, click on that image option it will give three options. If you want to take live picture, you can take photo by camera. If you want to choose that photo from your gallery, you can use second option. Third option, if you have your images into a particular folder, click on that folder option. Otherwise, choose gallery option. Maximum pictures are available in gallery. Whatever pictures you want to insert. For example, I am taking this picture. Okay, these pictures I have taken here. So this is the way how to use tools, and more options are also there. On the top, see last section, previous section, and next section button. I am clicking on the top. See, on the top these two options are available. I clicked on previous option, previous section, previous section. If I want to see next action, next, what action we have taken, it will display next action. After that, beside these two options, you can see double square options is there. It means that if you want to create your lecture in multiple pages, so you can use this option also. See, if you want to add new page, click on that plus symbol which is on the right side on the top. Click on it, it will add pages automatically. If you will click on it, page number 2, page number 3, like this. If you want to go to the page number 2, select the 2 page number and see on the screen. Again you want to go to that pages, click on it and select your current page. Okay, next we will see how to create or how to gather our material to teach student online before starting recording your lecture. Okay, firstly we have to create our lecture. I will clear this page. And I will add some pages, as I have 3 pages. If you need more pages, during that you can click on plus symbol, it will add the pages. Currently I am on page number 1. Today I decided to teach students input devices and output devices. So I will take heading input devices and output devices. This is an example only. If I want to decrease the size, I will go to the text, hold for 2 minutes, decrease size, which should be visible to the student. I am moving this text on the top because it's my main heading, and I want to insert again I want to take the subheading here, input devices, enter. Number 1 I am taking very common input device, keyboard. If you have ready-made text, you can copy and paste here, or otherwise you can type. So firstly I will decrease the size. Now I am typing here. Keyboard is an input device which is used to type text or to enter the text. If I want to take image of keyboard, I can add image also. Image, I already have that image. I will select that image, keyboard image. It is here. See, again second input device I will take. Mouse. Mouse is also an input device. Which is used to select an object or to pointing any object. Again, if I want to insert image of a mouse. Okay, so this is my first page. If I want to take new page, I want to go to the next page, I will go to the next page. Here I will type output devices, heading, main heading, subheading, second main heading, output devices. Size. I'm increasing size. Directly I will insert that images of output devices. One more image. Monitor. Okay, so these two examples I have taken. I'm not showing again it's how to explain it, just this is an example how to create our lecture. So I have created this lecture. Go back directly. If you go back, it will show you that you have created your lecture. Open it, and now go to the pages and go to the page number 1, and now start recording your lecture. Click on this three dot which available on the top right side. Click on it and see you have an option start recording. Click on it. As you will click on start recording option, it will start recording. Start it. Okay, it's giving an error that you already recording your lecture externally, so Liveboard is unable to record the lecture. So if you will click on it, it will show you, it will directly start to record your lecture. Now you can teach. Today we can learn what is input devices and what is output devices. Input devices, keyboard, mouse, and output devices, which is on the next page. Go to the next page. Live you can show to the students like this. So this is the way how to create and how to record our lecture. If you created, go back. So here you can see video option on the bottom right side. this video option is there. Click on this video option. It will show you what video you have created. So previously I have created this video, that's why it's showing. Otherwise whatever you have recorded, it will show you here. From here you can share your video anywhere, and you can rename also. Okay, thank you.